Good morning. It is day 50 on the AZT, and it rained and snowed on us last night. As you can see here, you can barely really see the trail. Nobody has been here, of course, so I can just follow some animal footprints. So yeah, it's supposed to kind of rain and snow all day today. So it's gonna be a cold and interesting day. But yeah, we gotta move. It's already a late start. It's like 7:15, but we waited out a little rain and then now we're moving. So yeah, let's see what the day brings. Day 50 on the AZT. Let's go! There is rain in the forecast, so we are debating if we're going to bail out at a road. I don't really want to, but freezing rain, hypothermia, not very fun. So yeah, we'll see. We're going to wait out the next few hours. The snowman is for my buddy Chris back in Germany. He asked me if I run into snow, could I build him a snowman, send him a picture. There you go. There's your snowman. A promise is a promise. So there is no rain. It's like a little hail, but just tiny bit. It's doable, and we haven't stopped for breakfast yet. So I'm getting hungry. We're already over 8 miles in, and we're still moving on this forest road. It's nice though. See, it cleared up a little bit. Well, you can't really, oh, up there. Oh yeah. Oh, sun, see? Nice. Having my chocolate coffee and my oatmeal, raisins, dates, and walnuts. Never had it before. Oop, it's boiling. And a Rice Krispie treat. We took a late breakfast break, and damn, we could have taken a break in the little fort here. Whoa! It might all be empty. They look empty. There's some with names on them.
Oh, fuck. That one's full.
very windy, but I was able to take off my rain jacket and my rain pants and my long underpants. I was wearing every layer this morning, so yeah, I took that off. Now I got the rain jacket kind of hanging on my pack, and we're moving right to this nice road on the trail. Found a resupply box, but we don't need any water. We still have enough, even though we have a 22-mile carry today. Taking a break, drying out everything, the tent, which is another, like from my gear. I had the same tent on the PCT. Well, this is a newer version, but the same brand and model. So that works for me. Also, what I had on the PCT was my Puffy, the Zim Mountain Hardwear Ghost Whisperer. You can't really see the thing anymore, but this works. I had this for a couple of years now. What else? Oh yeah. Also this bandana, of course. My beanie, my Bucky's beanie. I had this on the PCT too. I also had this fleece from Melanzana. That works. And yeah, those are another like pieces of gear that I use and still use. I'm gonna have Spam, a beefsteak, and some liquid IV tropical punch. We just sat down just to have a little break. No! It's gonna start hailing on us. I refuse to get up. I'm gonna finish my food. I refuse. The hell with that.
There we go. Are you filming me?
Mm-hmm.
Hello.
How you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. I would love to have like a nice warm bit of sunny weather for a little bit. That would be great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too.
Uh-huh.
Moving on the road, we picked a campsite. Well, the comment says lots of protected campsites, so that's where we're gonna go, because it's still a little raining and it's windy and it's cold, so we're gonna go there. We were gonna do 20 miles, but it's just it's better to have a protected campsite, you know. And then we did 17.9, so that is okay, since we did 20 yesterday. Okay, moving. There's still rain clouds. I'm hungry. I'm gonna have ramen tonight. Ramen and some tea. Gonna chill out in my tent. It's gonna be great. See, looks good over there, but then you see all of that. I don't want to be in the rain. It's just, no. So we got to move about 2.5 miles from here. That's the trail. It keeps going on this dirt road. And we found a kind of hidden back there with some cover from the trees and stuff. So yeah, this is a good spot. The wind is just, it doesn't stop, but at least there's no rain. But that looks pretty amazing down there. On tonight's dinner menu, hot water, I'm gonna have my ramen, and you can't really see, there's ramen in there, and there's peanut butter, and there's refried beans, and some of Radio's habanero wing sauce. I'm also gonna have some tea, peppermint tea with some honey.